Live from Asmara, this is ERi-TV English news broadcast for Tuesday evening, 30th of June. The time is exactly 10:30 p.m. Good evening to you, and here are stories making headlines today. Eritrean Community Festival in Italy. History-related competitions in the Central Region. China and EU officially launched trade investment consultation mechanism. And Venezuela quake death toll rises to 1,719. Great to have you with us. Proceeding with Alpha reports. The annual Festival of Eritrean Community in Italy, conducted in Milan on 27th and 28th June under the theme Our Resilience, Our Guarantee, colorfully concluded. The annual festival, in which nationals from various cities in Italy took part, featured cultural and artistic programs, fashion show presenting all Eritrean ethnic groups, children's program, a seminar on the objective situation in the homeland and regional and global developments, as well as a photo exhibition. According to reports, the photo exhibition under the theme Mercado, reflecting the peaceful demonstration of diaspora nationals against the illegal sanctions imposed on Eritrea, received wide acclaim from visitors. On the occasion, Mr. Fsahatyan Petros, Eritrea's ambassador to Italy, conducted a seminar focusing on the objective situation in the homeland as well as the contribution of diaspora nationals to the national affairs. The festival was highlighted by cultural and artistic performance by renowned artists from Eritrea. The history-related competitions organized by the Ministry of Education branch in the Central Region, in collaboration with the FDJ and National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the region, concluded on 24th June at the ceremony held at the Cultural Center Hall. The competitions included an anthem contest among preschools and elementary school students, questions on the history of the Eritrean people and armed struggle for independence among junior school students, and ethnic and nationalism among high school students. The organizers of the competitions said that the objective was to enhance the capacity, understanding and awareness of students through the organization of sustainable history-related competitions. At the event, awards were presented to winners of the competitions as well as encouragement awards to exemplary teachers. Noting that strong effort have been exerted to enhance political awareness and national consciousness among students, Mr. Johannes Solomon called for reinforced participation by contributing by concerned institutions for the sustainability of the program. The event was attended by General Philip Oswald Johannes, Chief of Staff of the Eritrean Defense Force, Mr. Yusuf Saiq, Head of the Organizational Affairs of the PFDJ, Mr. Salih Ahmeddin, Chairman of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, as well as Mr. Abraham Samara, Chairman of the Central Region Assembly. In Berrikh subzone, 24,000 nafa contributed by PFDJ civil servants has been distributed to 6 families of martyrs. Mr. Tasfuf Fsahatyan, administrator of the subzone, commended the PFDJ civil servants for their initiative and called on others to follow the noble example. Similarly, 48,000 nafa contributed in Sarija subzone has been dispersed to 24 families of martyrs. Mr. Kiflamaram Gavra Meskel, administrator of the subzone, underlining that supporting families of martyrs is the responsibility of every citizen, called on others to follow the noble initiative. We're live on ERi-TV. Stay tuned for international ones. China and the EU have confirmed the official establishment of China-EU Trade and Investment Consultation Mechanism as the two sides held the first meeting of the mechanism, according to a joint statement issued today. The two sides identified 4 initial work streams under the mechanism, which include trade and investment balancing, export controls, intellectual property rights, and WTO reform, the joint statement said. The two sides also conducted comprehensive, in-depth, and constructive discussion on key economic and trade issues. During the meeting, the two sides agreed to establish a joint monitoring mechanism to exchange relevant data, monitor trade flows, and support technical work with a view to improving transparency, enhancing mutual trust, and managing trade frictions. The two sides recognized the need to strengthen the China-EU export control dialogue and agreed to take further facilitation measures to maintain the stability of globally industrial and supply chains. They also agreed that increased market access measures and initiatives can contribute to the balancing of trade relationship. The death toll from the two earthquakes that struck Venezuela on Wednesday has risen to 1,719, with more than 5,000 people injured, Venezuelan National Assembly President George Rodriguez said yesterday. Giving an update, Rodriguez said 1,719 people had been confirmed dead, while 5,034 others had been injured and 15,866 people had been affected by the disaster. We're about to end our news broadcast, but here's the final look at the stories making headlines. Eritrean Community Festival in Italy. History-related competitions in the Central Region. China-EU officially launched trade investment consultation mechanism. And Venezuela quake death toll rises to 1,719. And that's all with the news for the session. On behalf of the entire news crew, thank you for watching. I'm Salim Brahana, wishing you a great night.